guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Hope everybody is great and fine. Today I want to show you this chicken skin. In my previous video I did chicken breast, how I debone my the chicken breast. So I got this chicken skin from there and I want to use it for chicken crepes. So I have my fry pan here. It's hot, so I'm going to be placing the chicken skin there. Immediately it's just coming together. That's it. As you can see, it's doing. So what I'm going to do here now, so what I did, I cover it with the cream. The light is on. I cover it and I place something heavy on it, which is this. Oh my god, which is this then, just for like some minutes. So guys, I'm trying to take all this thing off. Can see the oil that is coming out from it. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Just little salt. Then I'm going to, I don't have tongue, but okay, can see, but I can lift it with this fork. That's how it looks like. So I'm just going to cover it and leave it to do its thing. Then I'll be back. So guys, why I do put this mortar on it is to make it flat, so that they won't, I don't know how to explain it, they won't roll together. At least they will be flat. So as you can see, it's really flat. This one is not yet done. They have to be very, very crispy. They are getting there. They are getting there. Yeah, this one too. They are getting there. So I'm going to cover them again. See, this one sounds like chicken. So I'm going to. So guys, that's the finished product. You can see how crispy the things looks like. I'm just going to add my turkey seasoning that I made in December. The seasoning was so nice. Just wanted to, if you want to, can eat it like that, or add your turkey, any seasoning you have. Or if you want this turkey seasoning, you can check my channel. I think I made that December last year, 2019. That's my phone. Don't know the reason why it's giving me that sound. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, press that notification button and share. See you in my next video. Bye.